जो चाइनीज इंकर्जन हुआ 25 किलोमीटर हमारे एरिया में आ गया।
Nothing like that.
A flat denial by Army Chief General Darbir Singh Suhag of reports of PLA incursion along the LAC in North Ladakh. The media reported that Chinese troops had entered 25 to 30 kilometers deep into Indian territory in Bursa area at an altitude of 17,000 feet. This disputed area is adjacent to Daurat Beg Oldie, which forms part of Depsang Plains. The army spokesperson has also denied any incursion or encroachment of Indian territory by China, saying that differing perceptions of the LAC result in such transgressions by patrolling parties. Home Minister Rajnath Singh had also stated a few days back that India was prepared to deal with any threat from across the border. He pitched for diplomatic efforts to curb such incidents. Even before the army chief had clarified, the opposition raised the pitch on the alleged incursions.
It is ironic that the People's Liberation Army has intruded 25 kilometers into Indian territory in northern Ladakh, and you have the Indian government actually trying to justify the Chinese incursion by stating that China is only coming up to its perception line. Tomorrow, will the Indian government, by the same logic, allow the People's Liberation Army of China to come and occupy these areas also?
जो मोदी जी की सरकार है, तमाम इन मसलों पे बहुत सीरियस है और बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है। हमने देखा अभी किस प्रकार से पाकिस्तान वाले मसले पे इंडो पाक जो टॉक होने वाले थे उनको स्थगित कर दिए गए, उनको कैंसिल कर दिए गए, केवल इसलिए कि टॉक्स एंड टेरर्स कैन नॉट गो टुगेदर। तो स्वाभाविक रूप से चाइना वाले मसले को भी बहुत संजीदगी के साथ लिया गया है और इस पे भी कार्यवाही होगी।
The Depsang incursion by the PLA last year resulted in a 21-day standoff between Indian and Chinese troops, which ended after 4 flag meetings between the two sides. Chinese PLA had pitched 5 tents in the area and claimed that it was a part of their territory, while China steadfastly refuses to acknowledge that its forces had in a way breached the line of actual control. It's agreed that the issue could be resolved through diplomacy and negotiations. Soon after coming to power, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made his no-nonsense approach apparent by fast-tracking military and civil infrastructure projects on the border with China, which had earlier been bogged down due to environmental clearance issues for years. The question is, will India be able to balance this bolstering of India's defence capabilities with the diplomatic skills needed to tackle the complexities arising from an undemarcated, uninhabited border for hundreds of kilometres? Newsnight Desk, DD News.